Welcome to episode 12,059, or episode 8, if you're keeping count. No, just feels like 8. It's only episode 6. The next time you're on Facebook, instead of just mindlessly scrolling through the videos and images, see what makes you stop. What makes you stop scrolling? Is it the person who posted it? Is it the words they're using? Is it the image? Is it the video? Is it the promise of a laugh? What is it that makes you stop scrolling? Notice your own behavior. If you start noticing your own behavior, you start to be more self-aware of what's going on around you, and you can be more in control of it. This sort of goes with my last video last week, where I talked about being self-aware is one of the best things you can do to get through a hard time or hesitation in your business. So this video is sponsored by my school, Social Media Manager School. I run this with Andrea Vall, and we've been doing it for over 6 years, which is a lifetime in internet time. And we have a bunch of case studies of so many wonderful people from different parts of the world who have done amazing things by creating a business for themselves as social media managers or consultants. So that's the offer for today. You'll find the link somewhere around here. Once when I was teaching a workshop in Barbados, I said the phrase, "Follow the funnel and model the process." And my business partner who was there with me, Andrea, said, "Oh, that one's nice." And then a couple of weeks later, I got a t-shirt with it on the t-shirt. And it was such a wonderful gesture. Now I can walk around with that all the time. If you find someone doing something that seems successful, then the natural tendency is to model it. I don't want you to copy. I don't want you to steal. I want you to model it. And that means you make it your own eventually, but you look at the underlying architecture and see if it's something that you can recreate in your own business. I do consider following the funnel and modeling the process only really the first step in this process. Now, to get everyone on the same page, what I mean with this and what I mean by funnel is every time you give somebody your email address, you're in their funnel. Every time you like or watch a video, you are in their funnel. You are hovering above that purchase button. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. And you're trying to decide, should I buy the premium or should I buy the platinum? Knowingly or unknowingly, you are in a funnel. Now it's time to wake up and use this process for yourself. I think it's really important to explore what other people are doing. Watch how they lead you onto something. See what makes you click. What motivates you to click through to see something? What makes you want to read more about it? What makes you buy? What are the words they're using to make you buy? All of these things are really important. Be a student of how someone else is doing it, and you will learn so much that you can put into your own business. Wake up, be aware, see what other people are doing. So next week I'm back in the studio talking about e-commerce. I did it again. So next week I'm back in the studio talking about e-commerce, if that's your thing. I'm really enjoying it, and I have some more things I want to talk to you about, rant about, explore, show you some cool stuff. So in the meantime, make sure you go check out those case studies. The link is somewhere. And also like, comment, share. It's okay. It's safe. It's all right. And guess what? You're not in my funnel. So anyway, I appreciate that. Share this with your friends. All right, people, back to work.